What are we making?
So we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes.
Oh, good.
My mascarpone and lemon gnocchi.
And I've never made gnocchi, so that sounds like fun. So how much lemon zest do you need?
2 lemons.
2 lemons.
Go for
okay,
it.
I can do it. And you're doing Parmesan?
I am.
Okay.
So I got this great
Fantastic.
cheese at that cheese store you keep telling me to
Isn't
go to
it
in Sag
great?
Harbor. So we're
Yeah.
gonna do about a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 lemons, and then we're gonna do a little mascarpone. Actually, a cup of mascarpone, so that's a lot of mascarpone.
That's a lot of mascarpone.
So this isn't traditional gnocchi, okay? This is
It is
sort of
not?
the Giada version.
Oh, good. I like the
No
Giada version.
potatoes.
Oh, because usually
No
it is.
potatoes. Yeah,
Okay.
usually it's potatoes, but there's a little bit of flour, but only
Okay.
like 3/4 of a cup, so it's mostly cheese and lemon. Okay, here we go. So I'm done with the parma. How are you doing on the lemons?
I'm doing great.
Okay. So put all the cheese in there.
Okay.
Now,
Smells good so far.
we are gonna do, you wanna do the eggs?
Yep,
So it's
happy
one
to.
yolk and
Okay.
one whole egg. Okay, so we're gonna use about a cup of room temperature mascarpone.
Okay.
Go.
And a yolk,
Yeah.
right?
So we're gonna do a little bit, actually,
How much?
it's about
nutmeg?
a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Okay.
Okay, and a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon of salt. There we go. And what I want to do now is just mix this together. We're going to use a hand blender
Okay.
just to kind of get it nice and fluffy. Then we'll add 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour.
Okay. And that's gnocchi?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Wow.
That's why I said it's Giada's
Who
version.
knew? Maybe a little higher?
Yep, go for it.
Like that?
Yeah, just don't cover yourself.
Okay. I could get
And
it all over
cheese and
myself.
egg. I know. I know. So
Okay.
usually mix this for a bit.
Okay.
Just until it's nice and smooth and kind of a little bit fluffy.
Yeah.
And then we'll add 3/4 of a cup of flour.
Okay. 3/4 of a cup slowly or just dump it in?
Oh,
Or whatever I feel like
whatever
doing.
you feel like doing.
I
Anna.
like that. How's that?
Okay, that's good. Okay, I wanted to get a little bit of flour
Okay.
for my pan. So what I do is kind of like the French do the, and then,
Like making canals.
correct,
Right?
yeah, and then just drop it right onto the flour.
Okay. I could do that.
Yeah,
I don't know. Yours look better than mine.
roll them in the flour, then take them in your hand and just kind of form them just like this,
Okay.
and push the sides in, and that's it.
Yours looks perfect.
You get there.
Okay.
1 or 2 and you'll get there.
So what do we do next?
So I just put them in some salted boiling water,
Yeah.
and I like to cook them just in a few batches so they don't stick together.
Oh, yeah.
And what happens is they'll sink to the bottom and then they'll rise to the top. Once they rise to the
that's-
top, about 4 minutes and they're done.
Fantastic.
Yeah, great. Could you melt a stick of butter for me?
Yep.
And we'll just do butter, maybe put some salt in there since
Okay.
we're using unsalted butter. And then we'll add the thyme once you chop it.
Oh, and that's the sauce?
That's it.
I like a sauce like that. Okay, why don't I clean up? How's
Okay,
that?
cool. I promise if you ever come cook with me, I'll do the cleanup.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I heard something about thyme. Should I chop up the thyme?
Yeah, just about a tablespoon or so.
Okay, good. Love thyme.
I love how the lemon in the thyme, because thyme can be kind of lemony.
That's
Works with the lemon in
Yeah,
the mascarpone.
it's wonderful.
That's what I
That's
love about
great.
it.
Okay, does this go right in?
Yeah, go for it. You can
Fabulous.
start to smell the nutty
You really
butter.
can. You really can.
Right?
You really can. Oh, and the thyme cooks in it, so it really flavors.
That's
I'm
right.
liking this dish.
Mhm.
Okay, what else can I do? Wow.
Oh, you know what? We can grab some of the pecorino.
Oh, okay.
I got Sardinian pecorino, which isn't as sharp as the Romano that I usually use,
Yeah.
but I think it'll be great.
Okay, cool.
So will you do me a favor?
Yep.
I'm going to pour the butter sauce over the top,
Yeah.
and you
Oh. Oh, and you really can see the nutty. The butter's really
This is
browned,
not
and
a
it's just
low-cal
incredible.
dish.
I don't think there's anything in this that's low-cal.
But you know what?
But you don't need a
Sometimes-
lot of it, and sometimes you need it.
That's right.
Right? Yep, exactly.
the cheese
but
goes
it's
over
all.
the top.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. It looks so good.
I love the smell.
It's like a light pillow with butter sauce. Who wouldn't want to eat that?